This is the wolf, the voice of the wild. In the frozen silence of the wilderness, a single howl breaks the night. It is not a cry of fear, it is a call of unity. Across mountains, valleys, and endless snow, another answers. The sound grows stronger and deeper until the whole forest listens. This is the wolf, the strategist of the wild, the symbol of loyalty and power. Wolves are among the most intelligent predators on Earth. They live and hunt in packs, each member connected by instinct, communication, and trust. A pack is not just a family, it is a perfectly organized team. Every wolf has a role. The alpha leads with confidence, the beta maintains order, and the others follow with precision. Together, they can bring down prey 10 times their size. When a pack moves, it moves as one. Each step is silent, each glance understood. They communicate with looks, body language, and howls that can be heard over 6 miles, around 10 kilometers, away. Can you imagine such coordination, a family that hunts with the precision of soldiers? The wolf's success lies not in brute force, but in cooperation. When they hunt elk or bison, they do not rush blindly. They test the herd, searching for weakness. They watch, they wait, and when the moment is right, they strike, fast and united. It is a lesson in patience and intelligence that few predators can match. But life in the wild is never easy. Wolves share their territory with grizzly bears, mountain lions, and even humans. Each encounter is a test of strength and strategy. Sometimes they fight for food, sometimes for survival itself. In winter, when prey becomes scarce, wolves travel great distances, sometimes over 30 miles, about 50 kilometers, in a single night. They endure freezing winds and hunger, relying on each other for warmth and protection. If one is injured, the pack slows down and waits. If one dies, the pack mourns. Loyalty is not just instinct, it is identity. A wolf without a pack rarely survives. It may wander for months, covering hundreds of miles in search of a new home. But when it finds another pack, it must earn its place through submission, strength, or sometimes battle. Every howl tells a story of territory, of warning, of reunion. When a pack howls together, it is not chaos, it is harmony. Each voice blends into one, a sound that has echoed across Earth for more than 1 million years. Wolves are far more than hunters. They are architects of balance. Where wolves return, nature heals. Deer and elk move differently, forests regrow, rivers flow stronger. Even the land listens to the wolf. Yet for centuries, humans have feared them. They were hunted, trapped, and almost wiped out in many parts of the world. But like the wilderness itself, wolves endure. Slowly, quietly, they return. To the forests of North America, to the mountains of Europe, and to the frozen tundras of Asia. They adapt, they survive. They remind us that true strength is not in domination, but in unity. The wolf teaches that power shared is power multiplied. That trust, discipline, and communication are what keep a family alive. In a world that often forgets the value of connection, the wolf still remembers. This is the wolf, the voice of the wild, the spirit of loyalty, intelligence, and survival. This is the power and wonder of nature. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next wild adventure. Thanks for watching.